Do you want to become a professional programmer and earn money this way? This video is made for you. By entering this field using artificial intelligence, you will be like a professional programmer. Please stay with us until the end of the video. And don't forget to ask in the comments if you have any questions. Your like, comment and subscribe encourages us. AI is a rapidly growing field that is changing the world we live in. It has become an essential tool for businesses, governments, and individuals, as it helps to automate tasks and improve decision-making processes. With the increasing demand for AI skills, programming with artificial intelligence has become an essential skill for anyone who wants to stay relevant in today's job market. In this video, we will discuss tips for programming with AI that will help anyone get started with this exciting and promising field. Tip number 1. Learn the basics of programming. Before diving into programming with AI, it is essential to have a good understanding of the basics of programming. Familiarizing yourself with programming concepts such as variables, loops, and functions will provide you with a solid foundation to build upon when programming with AI. Programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++ are widely used in AI, so it is essential to learn one of these languages to get started. Tip number 2. Understand AI concepts. To program with AI, it is important to understand the basic concepts of AI. These concepts include machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Machine learning is the process of teaching computers to learn from data, while deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on neural networks. Natural language processing is the ability of machines to understand and interpret human language, and computer vision is the ability of machines to interpret visual information. Tip number 3. Choose an AI framework. There are several AI frameworks available that can help simplify the process of programming with AI. These frameworks provide pre-built algorithms, models, and tools that can be used to build AI applications. Some popular AI frameworks include TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. It is important to choose an AI framework that is suitable for your programming language and level of experience. Tip number 4. Start small. When programming with AI, it is essential to start small and work your way up. Begin by implementing simple algorithms and models and gradually move on to more complex ones. This approach will help you build your skills and confidence as you progress through the learning process. As you gain more experience, you can start experimenting with different techniques and algorithms to improve your AI applications. Tip number 5. Get hands-on experience. Programming with AI requires hands-on experience, so it is essential to practice as much as possible. Participating in online coding challenges, hackathons, and competitions can provide you with valuable experience and exposure to different AI techniques and algorithms. Additionally, you can work on personal projects that allow you to apply AI concepts to real-world problems. This approach will help you build a portfolio of AI projects that can be used to showcase your skills to potential employers. Tip number 6. Join an AI community. Joining an AI community can be an excellent way to learn from others and get feedback on your work. There are several online communities that cater to AI enthusiasts and professionals, such as GitHub, Kaggle, and Stack Overflow. These communities provide a platform for collaboration, sharing ideas, and asking for help. Additionally, attending AI conferences and meetups can help you network with other professionals and stay up to date with the latest AI trends and technologies. Tip number 7. Stay up to date with AI trends. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so it is essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Reading AI-related blogs, books, and articles can provide you with valuable insights into emerging technologies, best practices, and new approaches to programming with AI. Additionally, following AI experts and influencers on social media platforms can provide you with timely updates and insights into the industry. Tip number 8. Keep learning. Finally, it is essential to keep learning and improving your skills when programming with AI. AI is a rapidly changing field, and new techniques, algorithms, and tools are constantly being developed. Therefore, it is important to stay curious and continue learning to stay ahead of the curve. There are several online courses, tutorials, and certifications available that can help you improve your skills and knowledge in AI programming. In summary, programming with AI requires a solid foundation in programming concepts, an understanding of AI concepts, choosing the right AI framework, starting small, getting hands-on experience, joining an AI community, staying up to date with AI trends, and continuous learning. With these tips, anyone can start programming with AI and explore the exciting possibilities that this field has to offer.